Chapter 7. Birds. Birds are the only animals with feathers on their body. They have wings to fly. Parts of a bird. The different parts of a bird are shown below. Beak, eye, body feathers, claws, wings, flight feathers, tail. Birds can fly because they have light bodies, well-formed wings and strong muscles. They also have boat-shaped bodies. This shape helps them to fly. Wing movements. Upstroke. When the wings move upward and backward, the wing movement is called the upstroke. Downstroke. When the wing moves down and forward, the wing movement is called the downstroke. Types of feathers. A bird's body is covered with feathers. Birds have mainly 3 types of feathers. Flight feathers. These feathers are long and flat. These are found in the wings and the tail. They help the bird to fly. Down feathers. These feathers are soft and fluffy. They keep the bird warm. Body feathers. These feathers cover the body of the bird. They give shape to the bird's body. Beaks. Birds do not have teeth. They eat with their beaks. Different birds have different types of beaks. The shape of the beak depends on the kind of food a bird eats. The beaks of birds tell us a lot about the kind of food they eat and how they get their food. Types of beaks. Strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Eagle, vulture and kite eat small birds, frogs and snakes. They are called birds of prey. They have strong, sharp and hooked beaks for tearing flesh. Short, hard and horny beaks. Sparrow, pigeon and peacock eat grains, nuts and seeds. They have short, hard and horny beaks to crush hard nuts, grains and seeds. Curved beak. A parrot has a short curved beak to break nuts and bite hard fruits. Strong, heavy beak. A woodpecker's beak is very strong, hard and heavy. It helps it to make holes in tree trunk to catch insects for food. Long, slender and curved beak. The hoopoe has a long, slender and curved beak. This beak helps it to pull out insects from their hiding places. Broad and flat beak. The duck has a broad and flat beak with tiny holes. When the duck takes muddy water with insects in its beak, the muddy water flows out from the tiny holes, leaving behind insects inside the beak. Long, thin and curved beak. The sunbird has a long, thin and curved beak. This kind of beak helps it to suck the nectar, sweet juice of flowers. Short and broad beak. Swallows eat tiny insects. They have short and broad beaks. Their mouth and tongue are very sticky. These birds, while flying, keep their beaks open. Thus, tiny flying insects get stuck into their mouth.